Hey guys, remember a couple weeks back? Well, might be a little bit longer then, but who's counting? We did a trailer build, did a trailer series as well. And guess what? Time has come, we're gonna do a drift car. Heck yeah, I'm ready for this. Let's do it. And here it is, guys. Right here sitting on the table. Awesome car. This is a redcat Thunder drift car, 10 scale. It is brushed. We're gonna try it anyhow. I don't care. I'm game for it. I've never drifted and I want to learn how to. So me and you're gonna go through this together on drifting. Man, I hope I do good. Full wheel drive, aluminum filled shocks, oil filled on top of it. I don't know what else to say, but let's get into this box and let's see what we got. Ooh, I'm excited. Paperwork, just like every other car. We're going to look through that in a little bit and kind of read it and see what we got for it. Time to get the baby out of the box. What do you guys think of that? Trying to put it on the white background for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. That's kind of neat. Uh-oh. We got more presents. Another box. It's a box inside of a box. I don't know what they're doing. There we go. This is a 10th scale RTR redcat. Unlicensed body, but that's okay. Kind of a mix between a Camaro and a Mustang. That's what it kind of looks like to me. You know, half Mustang up here, and then back here is half Camaro. That's okay. Wing, mirrors, it's even got functional, somewhat wipers on it. Right on. Let's look inside this thing. Oh man, you got paper in the way, can't even show you guys. Look at that. Mid-mount motor. Right here's the motor. Here's your front wheel, so it's pretty good center weight distribution. Kind of like that. Belt driven. Got a lot of aluminum on it already. Aluminum motor mount. Front shocks, which I already covered that. Not bad. Not bad if I say so myself. I can't wait to get this thing out and drift it. And let me get you some up close looks of it, guys. Aluminum front oil filled shocks. That's a good treat. Double belt drive. Aluminum belt tensioner. Aluminum mount. We got running a 540 brushed motor. That's okay. We're going to run it for a while until it quits. Definitely. Battery plug. I'm not a real big fan of these. So, of course, I'm going to go with the Dean's plug. Gotta have the Dean's. Let's see what else I can get to go over with you guys. Good hard tires. Real hard. And check out the detail. Even give you calipers. Well, fake ones, but it's better than nothing. Take a good look at it, guys. Foam bumper. I'm okay with the mounts. I don't know how long they're going to last. Give you a good detailed shot around the car. Comes completely assembled, battery installed. Looks like we got decent amount of room to put a little bit bigger battery in here. Gonna have to run a 2S in here, I think. And that's okay. Looks like the throw is real good. And of course, you know, in the box of treats, we have, of course, the charger. Gotta have the charger. And your standard 2.4 gigahertz controller. Went over this on the last redcat I had with you guys. And it's got all your little adjustments. Spring loaded as well. Kind of a little rubbery. Good grip. I think it's going to be alright. And of course it's a 2-channel, but that's okay. We don't need no more channels than 2. And can't wait till we get ready to run it again. If you guys just seen a few seconds ago, I did an unboxing on this, and wanted to give you guys a run with it. And my first impressions, I think it'll be alright. Definitely going to take some getting used to. It's a lot of throttle control. And I've never drifted in my life. And I think it's going to turn out pretty good once I get done and learn how to drift. I think it's going to be fun. This is a brushed motor, 540. Running, not even running on a LiPo. This all comes just as it does out of the box when you buy them brand new. Just as I unboxed it for you guys. Does good donuts. Hey, cone's real good. Push the cone out of the way. Definitely going to take some getting used to. I don't know. I think it's going to be kind of cool. I think it needs more power. And I need more practice.